pretty one?
Do your kisses again.
Yeah.
You're such an alright.
Who's the pretty one?
Cast them on there.
Is it Daddy? No, Daddy's not pretty. Daddy's not pretty. No.
Can we almost do like a dank? Why is he going
Is it?
a dank?
Bryn, you're making him choke.
Oh, she's funny. Ew, all the slobber.
Yeah.
Is it AJ? Is AJ the pretty one?
No.
Is AJ the pretty one?
No.
Say no. AJ's not pretty.
Say, is Bryn the pretty one? Yeah.
Yay. Is Bryn the pretty one?
See, Dad's not pretty. See, Dad's not pretty.
No.
That's not pretty. That's not pretty, huh? That's not pretty.
Did she get you?
Huh.
Give her kisses. Spit on her lips. Say thank you, Kaylin.